Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about what could very well be the best body groomer for men, specifically designed to meet all your grooming needs, whether you're in the shower or on the go. Introducing the Body Hair Trimmer for Men, a waterproof, versatile tool that's set to change the way you care for your body hair. Let's dive in and explore why this product stands out as a top choice for any man looking to keep things neat, clean, and smooth. This body hair trimmer comes equipped with a built-in mirror and LED light system, making it easier than ever to achieve precision grooming in those hard-to-see areas. Whether you're trimming your groin, chest, or legs, the LED light ensures you won't miss a single spot, even in dim lighting. This means you can finally say goodbye to the guesswork that comes with grooming in tricky spots. The added mirror allows for a clear view, so you can confidently trim sensitive areas like your groin or balls with ease. The trimmer features ceramic blades, offering a smooth and steady shave every time. With rounded tips and a protective comb guard, it's designed to minimize the risk of cuts, making it safe for even the most sensitive parts of your body. You can choose from 3 different length settings, 3mm, 6mm, and 9mm, to customize your trim to your preference, whether you're shaping your beard, body hair, or pubes. What makes this body groomer even more convenient is its IPX7 waterproof rating. This means it's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without worry. Whether you prefer a dry shave or a refreshing wet shave, this trimmer will perform excellently, ensuring an effortless grooming experience. The IPX7 rating also makes it incredibly easy to clean after each use, maintaining its performance even over time. Ergonomically designed, this trimmer fits comfortably in your hand, providing a firm grip that enhances control during your grooming sessions. Its anti-slip texture ensures that you won't lose control, even when wet. With up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, you have plenty of time to get the job done without needing to recharge. This body hair trimmer is not just practical, it's also the perfect gift for the modern man. Whether it's for a birthday, Valentine's Day, or a self-care routine, this grooming tool is a thoughtful and practical gift. It's even equipped with a travel lock, so it's ready to go whenever you are, whether you're heading to the gym, on a business trip, or just traveling for leisure. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best body groomer for men, this waterproof, LED light-equipped, and ceramic-bladed trimmer should be at the top of your list. Its ease of use, safety features, and versatility make it the ideal choice for all your grooming needs. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Happy grooming!